Hey everybody, it's Justin over at Simple Events, and today I'm going to show you in a video how to build your email confirmation. Now, when you signed up, if you're one of our old beta early adopters in Simple Events, you might have a pop-up in your screen. Just go ahead and upgrade your connection from Simple Events to HubSpot. If you're brand new, you're not going to see that, and we're going to walk you through how to build your email confirmation if you're not in our Pro plan. Now, if you're in our Pro plan, I'm going to go ahead and drop the hint there. All these will be created automatically for you. You never have to do it. But I'm going to dive into my first event. So you've got my dashboard embed here. I love seeing this. And I'm going to create for this new event creation, my event. So I've got my event coming up on November 31st or January 31st. I've got my people here. I'm going to go into email marketing in HubSpot. I'm going to click over and I'm going to say, create a new email. Now, in this case, having a HubSpot Marketing Pro or higher gives you the chance to do workflows and auto replies. In this case, we're going to do an automatic email. If you need to do an email that's regular because you're going to do a one-off send, that's perfectly fine. These steps work both ways, in regular or automated emails. With that, I'm going to dive into here. I'm just going to choose the first template I have that is a welcome template. And what I'm going to do is set up a 2-column layout real fast down here, and I get too high. This is why it's awesome in live. And we're going to move this one down to here, and then we're going to clone there. We're going to bring that one there. Awesome. So I've got my 2 layouts here, and when I'm going to say, hey, insert personalization, I'm going to grab the name here, first name, default value. I like always using friend. I don't know what you use, but I always enjoy it. But hey, friend, we got your reservation or your registration. I'm going to insert that personalization there. And if you look for last event, you will see the 4 properties in the contact record. So remember, make sure you switch over to the contact record. You will see the 4 contact object or properties that we added in with Simple Events: confirmation code, the link, the QR code, and the last event registered. So I'm going to insert that in because that's going to give us our property value there. And then I'm going to switch this one. And this is where I really love the QR code capability of Simple Events. Go here, type QR, boom, personalization. We're not going to leave. We're just going to say no image just to have something there. And then what I like to do on this last side is put in personalization as well again, and then say last event, and then put in the confirmation code. I'm going to put NA there, and then I'm going to add in some titles there. So if I put in, click here in the box, confirmation, and then this is where we got your registration for, and that's your event. Here are the details for the event. So that's where you can insert your description. You can insert an address. So let's say the address is 123 Computer Lane at Boston. You can do whatever you want to in that. It gives you the ability. This is full control over you. And then we've got the QR code. Now, I'm going to go preview and I'm going to show you what this will look like. So if I come back here and type in one of my test contacts, boom, there's the QR code, there's the email registration, and you can add this to any workflow or do a one-off email on that side. Again, this is Justin from Simple Events. Here's doing QR codes and email confirmations.